All right. Good morning. Good morning. Excuse me. We're running a little behind today. Just a little bit behind. Let's see if we can't get caught up here a little bit. Morning, Wayne. All right. Kind of do one more thing here. Then I can start looking at the charts to see what we got. So I haven't really looked at it yet. Have not really looked at it yet. Let's see. Got some cold weather coming. Yeah, I saw that. We'll see what it ultimately ends up doing. Sometimes they say those things and then it doesn't do much. It's supposed to be later in the week though, right? Like Thursday, Friday or something? Friday, Saturday. One thing's for sure, I'm glad I don't still work in said cold weather. Sure, I'm glad we don't do that. Sure am glad. All right, we got that done. What's up, Francis? Room beats in the house. You're bullish. Robert, good morning. I mean, maybe. I don't know. I haven't looked. I have no idea. No idea. I haven't looked. I am about to look, though. You're probably right, but let's see. What do we do overnight? Curious. What did we do? Let's see. Let's find a chart. Bulenox, that's on the 1 minute. All right. It doesn't really have. Okay. Mm-hmm. 50. All right. Get everything set up here. Now your bearish room? Wait a second. Which is it? Good morning, Nissim. Which is it, room? Which is it? Bullish or bearish? What's the deal? All right, let me go to the 15. Yeah, I mean, probably will be bearish until one of these breaks. We kind of close above. I think something like that. So we'll kind of see what happens. What up, John Bassett? Good morning. Kind of see what we get here. Take profit time in the house. What up? $4.76 is your target. Maybe. Oh, let's look at the news. I haven't looked at the news yet today even to even know. What do we do overnight? We just sell? Pretty much. Yeah. Pretty much. Just sold. All right. No news, take private time. We'll see. I haven't looked yet. Okay, dokes. Let's see here. So yeah, I mean, we got this level down here at 324. I didn't even know what it is. I looked over there. I didn't see. What is that? It's just a wick. Yeah. We'll see kind of what happens here at open. Probably going to be, what do you think? Trend day? Range day? What do you guys think? I don't know. Not a great day. That sort of thing. Maybe. Could be. What up, Matt? That could be true, Matt. Would make sense. Good morning, Predator. What up, AS? Timbo? So, 21,000, 21.6 is what you're expecting. I mean, we're awfully low in the leg to be shorting, to be honest, but could be room beats. We'll see here. I don't really know. We'll play what we see, as always. All right, let me check the news right quick. Someone said there is not any, but let's just make sure. We do have Chicago PMI, guys, 945. And pending home sales at 10 our way. Is that right? Let me see what time these actually are. Yeah, 9:45 and 10. So there is 9:45 and 10 a.m. news. Not big news, but, you know. Nothing wrong with that. Trev, nothing wrong with that. Let's see what Mancini says are our levels for today. Plan today, fairly simple. Bulls must recover 59.86 to squeeze. To 6,006. Otherwise, 55.42 next down. We're at 55 now. $42. Looks like Mancini's lean is down. Hmm, 27. You don't like those red candles? Well, we just kind of play it by ear here, see what happens. I mean, we are at... I don't think this is a horrible entry here. We would be losing the 90. Still have the level down there at 24. Do we try this 5 minutes before market opens? A 10-point stop definitely is not enough. There's a 25 candle. Yeah, it does seem like sellers have the lean. We have these kind of equal lows down here. Kind of flat bottom candles there. We'll see what happens. That's all we can do. What up, Dennis? Good morning. Small 30-second long here could have taken. Still technically could get in here on a long. So close to open. I'm going to wait. I think this probably works. Maybe till here. But I'm just going to wait for open. 21,320. I mean, it's possible for us to push down. Certainly think so. Mancini seems to think so too. Maybe a push up at open. Trev's long. 425 buy order. Ooh. That's up there, Trev. I don't know. We'll see. Aloha, Marcin. From Hawaii? Marcin's in Hawaii? Everything was taken except London and Asia High. Yeah. I mean, my lean is at open. Maybe we sweep the low one more time. I don't know. We may just continue lower, to be honest. I mean, this low in the leg, generally, I'd be looking for longs, but I do think we're probably bearish. We're probably going to take out the 320s. And then maybe we can look for longs. I don't know. Clarity in the house. Oh, I got you, Trev. Yeah, me too, Clarity. I didn't even turn the computer on. I did not even turn the computer on. Coper in the house. Yeah, I had a good Christmas. Hope you did too. Let's see here. Bulenox still having that 91% off sale. Indeed. About 2 minutes here until open. Merry Christmas, Lavy. Happy New Year. Appreciate you. DA33 in the house. Nice. All right, here we go. Got less than a minute. Newts McBoots, what's up? Oh, nothing wrong with that. Oh, moving to Vegas. Let's go, Trev. Nice. Yeah, we'll be to Vegas probably some point next year early. Probably April or May. I don't know exact, but somewhere in there. Yeah, we do have news. A little bit of news this morning, so. right, here we go. Kind of close below 384. I think we go down. The push back up into kind of 445 is interesting too. 443. So we'll see kind of what we get off that level. I had to zoom in there. My eyes are bad. ES pulling back here 50 level. I want to jump in short here, but we took out that level already. See kind of what happens here. Just trying to wait here and see what happens. Kind of a mild open here so far. Yes, kind of holding up there at the 48, 49 area. There's Maxie with the bark. I don't know what it means. Buy now. Buy or sell, I don't know. Long. I mean, I do think we take out some of this up here, but the ES is not wanting to move. Not up anyway. What up, Andy? I'm short. Blow that wick, I'm going to go and break even. There we are. Boom, 250 bucks, just like that on the funded account. That's just a timing thing there. Just expected it to go once we kind of got a nice heavy candle back into this area. Max was wrong. You took the short, Newts. Now your paper. Let's go. Probably 342 incoming here. Little turtle soup play. I don't know. Tough to know here, right? Stacy thinks below 381 short. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of what I was thinking too. It's about the area I got short at 377. Just took 12.5 points there. Could have got more, obviously, but hindsight's 2020. You can kind of watch this now. I think it takes out the 320s. Most likely. Your cat walked on your keyboard just before opening and you had an anxiety attack. Uh-oh. Is it a black cat? We don't have to take out this 324 level. Let's think about that. It's not a major level. So if we get a nice bullish candle through here, it wouldn't be a horrible idea to long. It'd have to close above on this candle or the next, really. Big fat black cat. That acts like Garfield. I like Garfield. That was one of my favorite shows as a kid. Garfield. Now, if you're someone that takes the first fair value gap that shows itself, this will be your short. And you'd be getting paid right now. The first presented fair value gap. Whatever they call it. I don't know. Do we try it? Stop's too big. So let's see kind of what happens. Holding the 320. Let's go, Bassett. You should get it. Maybe. The only problem, if it doesn't do it on this candle or the next down through here, then I'd probably be locking in some profits at that point because this thing could just easily rip back up. It does not have to take this level. Let's remember that. It doesn't have to. You think it probably does, but it doesn't have to. $340 is the last. Yeah, I mean, kind of makes sense, right? Picked up an extra 10. U.S. women know your secrets, man. Dirty streaks in the underwear. Don't mess with us. I don't have any dirty streaks. I change mine, Black Beauty. I change it. I take the drawers off and change them. I can't tell you what Stewart calls it, but there's a saying for it. There's a definite saying. Stewart said he was having cafecita this morning with his CPAP on. So I'm gonna change my take profit to a little larger now. Needs to close above on this candle and really this candle to keep the momentum. Is it a longer pullback? I have no idea, Trev. I'm going to take what we see, though. Flushable wipes will mess up the septic tank. That's a pretty dirty close. Lenny, you're about to do the trading this morning. Good luck. All right, I'm in. On momentum here. See if we just continue to push or not. Yeah, it looks like a no to me. I got in before the close there, in case you guys didn't notice. We were immediately in green, but probably going to get stopped. What's going on here? Okay, that's something's weird there. What in the world happened there? Did you guys see that? I don't know. I took that on momentum. I mean, we were 8 points in the money, 7.5, 8 points in the money right away. Just, eh. You just hire someone with a super soaker. Nothing wrong with that, DA. We do have news 9:45. So, your wife's pregnant again. Congratulations. Congratulations. A python. I don't do snakes. Zabak. I don't do snakes. I do not do the snakes. No, thank you. I should have waited there. I mean, I just don't mess with snakes. Like, I don't bother them if they don't bother me. I leave them alone. But I don't do them. I'm not having a snake as a pet. So, your kid's got new shovels for the driveway. Let's go. Yeah, of course, take private time. I pay attention to all news. I mean, honestly, we should just get short here. Why not? All right, this will be the last one we take that's kind of stupid. So we'll see where we don't wait for confirmation. It's not, oh goodness. Stopped to break even, went back below that wick there. Kind of wanted us just push through the low. I might have should have waited for this wick though. Now that I think about it, probably should have. Yeah, that would have been the one to wait for there. Would have taken us to it. Rat's in his mini freezer now. Uh-oh. Oh, you're short 8 paper micros. Let's go. Used to have a 12-foot. No, thank you. My cousin's dad, or stepdad, used to have a bunch of snakes. You burgered up, tried taking a payout, reset Quan Tower. You were trading your funded? Uh-oh. Hopefully you took some good trades then. I don't know. When bounce up, Marcin, I don't know. I don't know that we get a bounce. I mean, looking like it's just going down for now. Losses, that sucks. Do I have anything else marked out? Not really. Yeah, we hit the 320. Your old college roommate Snake killed him while he was sleeping. Really? Is that true, Wiser than most? I wouldn't doubt it. All right, down $100 after that back and forth. 21,007. Yeah, I got 21,160 to the downside. Want to see it get through the low there. Make a new low. That's going to be unlucky if this stops us out. Honestly, didn't love the feel on it either. Feel felt like it was a little bit slippage, a little slipped. All right, break even. I want to see it go or not. There we go. So up $273 after that trade there. Yeah, take profit, Tom. It's possible to bounce. It just doesn't, to me, seem anything. Doesn't seem like anything that says we're going to just kind of go up. Now we could. I'm watching the ES here. We could bounce off this 28 level. Let's see. Bill Burr used to tell a story about some lady snake was sizing her up. Yeah, I did see that. I saw that one. Oh, he wrapped around his neck? Ugh. No, thank you. 2150, 150, yeah, I think so. I got 160 marked out down there, so somewhere in that area. If the ES gets through the 28, that is. You're going to get rid of it and tell them it ran away? It slithered off into the sunset. We don't know where it went. Oh. Well, you know, I was a cable installer, so I saw my fair share of snakes. You know, quite a bit. Quite often I would see snakes under houses. I used to be a termite technician as well. So, yeah, we saw our fair share of snakes. I will tell you something that will kind of scare you, that would shock you. I've saw more snakes in attics than I have in crawl spaces. So snakes have a really good ability to climb. So $59.87, $59.42 fails. We sell to $28.07. But yeah, they can climb really well. So I saw a lot more snakes in the attics than I did in crawl spaces. Snakes are the devil. No, that was the girl. What was her name? What was her name? No, addicts of new homes, older homes, didn't matter, Black Beauty. To be honest, it's easier to get in a new home than it is an older home because they have those little vents on the side of the house. Snake can just climb right up there and go right in. That's what snakes do. So I was in an attic one time and I saw a snake and I told the lady, I was like, yeah, I know what your problem is, but I'm not going to be fixing it. And she said, why? I said, well, there's a snake in your attic. And she said, oh, did you get it out? And I said, no, I in fact did not touch it. And I told her, I said, I'm going to reschedule your appointment for tomorrow. Don't tell that guy that there's a snake in the attic and hopefully he'll fix it. So the next day the guy calls me and he goes like, hey, I see you were out here yesterday. How come you didn't fix the problem? I said, have you already fixed it? He said, yeah. I was like, you didn't see that giant black snake in the attic? He's like, no, I didn't see anything. I said, good. That's why I didn't fix it. That's why it remained unfixed. So, no snakes for me. Yeah, wire mesh, they can push right through that wire mesh though. They really can. All right, let's see here. Kind of pushing back up. A little bounce point here. We didn't quite get to the 28 there on the ES. A lot of times that mesh is kind of brittle too. It's a little bit on the brittle side. I think we still move down here, but we'll see here what happens. I was going to find, I had a little video of a small snake at the entrance of a crawl space. Here it is. I was going to show you guys. So this is a small snake. I don't even know if you can see it. Can you see it? See him there? He slithers into the crawl space there. You see him slithering away. No, thank you. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. That's good momentum there. You caught it? Let's go, Treff. Not talking about window screen. I have tough stainless steel. Yeah, snakes can. They can get anywhere they want. They come up toilets. That's a nice bounce there. Was that news? No, we didn't hit the 10 o'clock news, so it's just the macro. The 21 is above the 9 right now. Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh, I always do that. Thinking about buying here, but let's see how it reacts to this. Yeah, I live in the country. We definitely worked in the country there. Yes, push back up to the 42 level. Need to pop the 42 for this to really go. We didn't really, I mean, we guys technically we swept a little liquidity. I don't know. The short here is a little bit, How do you think the short works? Every time I jump in before the close, though, I get wrecked, so I'm trying to wait. Not every time, but you get what I mean. $30 did close here. Yes, I hope so too, Trade for Science. I'm actually going to take a payout today, guys. I don't want to go, I don't want to have a blank in December, so I'm going to take $1,000 payout today. All right, I'm in here, short. I'm going to assume this closes below. Stop to break even at the 320. Be up 10 points at that point. And I'm just going for 20 points here. So, come on. Be dirty. Problem is, there's no real clear spot for break even there. I mean, I don't know. I was up 12 points, but there's no real clear spot. I mean, you could wait for this down close candle down here at the 10, but I mean, I think that's pretty much where my target was. Close to it. I added at 395, one of your funded accounts. Ooh, let's go, DA. Nothing wrong with that. We're in 30 minutes into IB. If we make it back up to the open, it could be a range day. Yeah, I tend to agree. I mean, we are shorting very low here, but I think it works. There's just no clear break-even spot. Now there is. Now you have this wick. So if we retest this without sweeping below this, I might re-enter. Let's see. I usually get myself in trouble when I do stuff like that, though. We need that John Wick. We're back to the 9. This could just be the higher low, right? It's the risky run. Popped to 360. Yeah, we did hit 360. All right, I'm back in. You guys see how that thing's slipping me? Do you guys see that? And I'm going to go break even at this wick. I mean, this thing is slipping me pretty heavy here. Boom, boom, boom. Market close for New Year's Eve. No, it's open tomorrow half a day, I believe. Pretty sure it's open tomorrow. All right, there's my break even. And there's my target. Boom. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Up $659 on this funded account. Let's go. Let's go. Who else is giving it to you like methodical? Oh, just kidding. Thank you, Predator. Appreciate you. But yeah, I'm going to take a payout today from, in fact, let's go ahead and do it. You guys want to do it? We'll do it together. Why not? I don't know if it shows anything. You're getting slippages too? Yeah, Jamie. I didn't get positive slippage. I'm getting negative slippage, which is fine. I mean, like, I felt like I hit this around 340, and I got filled down here at 331. So I don't know. It was moving. And I will say earlier, you probably are right. I think on this trade over here, somewhere over here earlier, right here, I think I was like 7 points in the green immediately. So you probably are correct. All right, so we're going to take a payout on our MyFunded Futures account. And let's see how fast it can hit our bank. All right, I don't know if I can do this with you guys. So this is what I'm going to do. So on my account here, I can take out $1,051. I'm going to take it all out. So you can see. Going to hit request payout. $1,051.16. Oh. $1,051.16. Request payout. Okay. So I just did that. Now it's a pending review. And we'll let you guys know how fast it is. Yeah, I think it'll be fast too, Lizelle. We'll see. Look at this thing still just go. No, I didn't get the memo train for science. I missed it. Mancini says, as we continue to sell from last week's macro backtest of 6,100, key remember these elevator down moves end in short squeezes only when a major resistance recovers. We just hit 28 to 33. Next down, 42 must recover now to pop. Otherwise, 07 is next. So he's saying if we recover 42, we squeeze. Otherwise, we sell to 07. Looks like the sell to 07 is imminent to me. Excuse me. Here comes the elevator, and we're not on. We are not on the elevator, guys. We're not on it. $200 next stop. Yeah, I got 160, but yeah, 200. We have a pivot point down there at 227. What we want to see now is some sort of pop back up and leave us something, you know. But there's the 10:01 candle. What are we in? What range are we in the first 30 minutes? 164 points. Guys, we are going to be ending the stream at about 11 a.m. here, about another hour. We are headed out to New Orleans today. New Orleans, Louisiana, for that Georgia versus Notre Dame matchup in the college football playoff. If you're new here and you didn't know, I am a huge Georgia football fan. So we will be heading out to Louisiana for that Georgia Notre Dame matchup. So, 1 million. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, it should be fun. We'll see. If Georgia brings home the win, when Georgia brings home the W, it'll be fun. Wow, look at that bounce, guys. 10 o'clock reversal on point. Yeah, that's what I was saying, Jamie. Thanks, Predator. If ES recovers that 42 level, then we'll look for a long. I think it kind of rejects it, but let's see. It pushed up right there to the 37s. Yeah, I'm going to leave out today, so I'll be there tomorrow to find somewhere to watch the first college football playoff game. I think it's Penn State, Boise State tomorrow night. And then we got a full slate of games on New Year's Day. At the end of the day will be Georgia versus Notre Dame, so I'll find somewhere to watch the other games. I think there's a casino there. The personal account challenge Lizelle, we are sitting at $987 in the account, so we're down about $1,000. And I've put it away until January the 6th. Sitting on micros on that account. Trading micros, obviously. 2 micros. But I got it linked to my Ninja. I haven't been trading it in the last few weeks. Let's see here. That was just obviously, I don't know. I mean, it could be putting, could get some sort of SMT here, but that pushback up there was pretty big. I mean, that was a big ripper. 80 points in like 2 minutes. Okay, here we go. We do have a 30-second potential long here. Do I like it? I don't know. I kind of don't. I mean, I think it might work. Break even so far away, though. Do we try it? Because this would be your target to end your break even. Let me see here. I don't know. It's hard to know here. I still think the draw is lower. Yeah, Lizelle, that's how my balance got a little low. I came in one day. I started at the I started trading one day in the power hour on that live account, and I don't know why, and I messed it up, but it happens to everybody, I guess, at some point. See if this thing can push back to the 30s. I think it can. I mean, we're kind of holding that 300 level. Need a really bullish reaction here if it's going to do it. That's pretty bullish. Can it go, though? I don't know. It's kind of chopping around here. What's going on? That's pretty wiki. Kind of wiki right there. 30.30-second candles. Dynasty says it's going down to 231 at least. I mean, ES is holding up here at the 28. I don't know. We'll see here. We are kind of starting to chop around here a little bit. I mean, it does feel like it wants to pop to some degree. Maybe. Or are we going to push lower here? Kind of, I don't know. If the ES loses that 28 again, probably. I don't know. Kind of a spot here where it can kind of go either way, feels like, right? But my lean is kind of down. That's the lean. Push back through the 90s here. Should go. Kind of left a couple of the triple equal lows there. See if it pushes through the 97s and gets a little flush in her, little elevator. Holding up there at the 97s for now. I think if we get through the 97 here, is that the 97? Where's that at? Oh, that's the 300. Get through the 300 there, we get a little push lower. Got to get through that level there. There we go. Should go now if we can lose the 90. If we can lose the 90 here, I think we go. Kind of holding up here at the 90, but we get through this area here. We're going to get a little elevator. In my opinion, a little elevator. Hey, let's go, Wolf Boy. Oh, boy. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. You the man. Everything in your watch list is red. Oof. Yeah, Knowledge Hub, it can be. I think it's going down. Like I said, we lose the 90. You know, you're going to get a little 90 drama here, so be careful. But if you lose the 90 strong, then it's going to go down. Now, here's the thing. I mean, we are at 28 on the ES, so that's why it's being so tough. The 90 on the NAS and the 28 on the ES, kind of pop areas, but you wanna see it go. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Watt Mile. The that area is just, you know. This is where you start getting snaky action too. I mean, you see these wicks? I mean, it's just ripping back and forth. So you're going to have a big move eventually, but it's probably going to take all your money before it does it. So just be careful here. This might not be a bad soup short here. You know, we push above this. You could maybe short this area. It's right there at the 50. You got a previous inverse. So it wouldn't be a bad soup short. Stop to break even almost right away if it sweeps that 336 area. Run, she's gonna blow. Room's long. I think 336 target's fine. It could rip above that, but I think based on what we've been seeing, if we run this wick, we probably sell back. But let's see what happens. Obviously, I'm not going to take it, but I don't think it's a horrible idea. I don't think I'm going to take it. If I do take it, I'll take it in my MyFunded Futures account. Let me see. Not the one I just took a payout on, but the other one. All right, looking for a pullback into the 320s. Let's see if we get it. There we are. Boom. I got it. All right. Little $160 winner there off that little soup play. I just shorted here and then just took a little 8 points. Like I said, I think this is a soup play that works a lot of the time. Kind of a previous inverse here. You got the 50 EMA. I probably could have taken more out of that, but I think I took like 3 or 4 points of drawdown there. Yeah, 4 points. Yeah, Dynasty, I think today is a day to take your money and run. Like, get 10, 12, 15 points, get out. There's going to be a big move at some point, in my opinion. But we don't know when. We don't know when, right? So, what's a soup? Basically just when you sweep an area and then you just short that area. You short the sweep of this wick. That's all it is. You're expecting a reaction once we sweep an area that you think we might run back down in. So like right there, we swept that. We pulled back 22 points. And then it still ripped. Hey, liquid food. Exactly. It's liquid food. Now, if we get above this, it's reasonable to think we go here. If we get a pull back into the 50, I may ride this up. We might ride this up. Let's see. I'm going to go right here. I'm going to risk 200 for this push back up. See if it can go. Trying to take this 9 bounce. Get back above the 50, we should go. Once we get to 342, I'm going to go to break even. That'll be up 5 points. Right there. Took my break even stop there. Still think it goes, but you was in this earlier? Yeah. If we get another pullback into the 9, I may take it. Again. I got in kind of late on that one. We are kind of breaking out of that trend line. Retesting the trend line here too. Or actually down here would be the retest. Let's see. Let's see. ES back to the 28 there. See if it holds. Not looking like it's going to hold there. ES testing the 28 there. Let's see if it's going to push back below. ES did bounce off that pivot earlier. I didn't even notice the pivot. Pivot there at 21. Bounced right off of it. Devil Bona. Just kind of watching here. Push back up there. Looks like a good spot to risk. Stop to break even. Actually, I'm going to lock in 5. I want to get something out of it. Going into the 90, so. Took 5 points there. Up $751 now on this funded account. This is a Bulenox 50K. I can make up to $1,400. Yeah, Bob, I was saying that earlier. It feels like the fills are a little off, but it is what it is. Today is definitely an EMA play day. If you guys haven't noticed, that's kind of what I've been doing. Like that 21 and 9. Sometimes a 50 touch. I mean, those have been paying pretty decent today. That's all that was there. Push back up to the 20 or the 9 and the 21. Kind of got the 9 crossing over the 21. Just take a little stab at it. I still think if we close below 291 here, kind of close below this area here, I think we go back to the lows. But who knows for sure. I probably shouldn't be going for 80 ticks, to be honest. We probably should keep it at 50. Just kind of hanging curtains there off of the 9 and 21. as Oracle would say. This is why I was kind of comfortable closing out that other My Funded Futures account. We got this one that's up over $1,000 already. So this one kind of replaces that one, and we'll just go ahead and add another one. Plus, I didn't want to not take anything, you know. Yeah, 10 minutes to initial balance. Didn't want to have a month where I didn't take a payout, so. And sad thing is, I've had that payout all month. I literally could have taken that payout the first of the month. And the account pretty much just stays stagnant all month long. We were not able to gain. We didn't lose, but we weren't able to gain. We just kind of spun our wheels. So. All right, now we'll push back up into 310 here after this test of the 90. This is interesting. I wouldn't mind this short. Oh man, this is not. This is kind of what I like usually. So I think the next drive down, we probably make it through there. Let's see here. Kind of want to see the ES push up a little higher. How is it to withdraw from your personal and easy, Francis? You just go in and click withdraw, take out what you want, and it's in your account next day. All right, I'm in. I'm going to go to break even at 95, 94. Come on. There we go. Logging in 5 here. 10. All right, we'll take 10. Minimum for a personal and ninja, I think 500 or maybe less than that. Maybe like 200, $100. Because you can use one micro, I think, with $50 or something like that. So maybe $100. So grinding this account back here, we're up $922. Still in drawdown on it, but getting it close to back to home on that funded account there. I think on Bulenox you can make up to $1,400 a day. Now that's the close below, I'd expect this thing to just run now. Could have held that a little longer there. Would have been nice. Could have targeted the low, but I think this thing runs to the low now. Yeah, it's for futures room, as far as I know. Oh, that's tough. That is tough. ES push him down to the 1920 area there. See if we retest the 91 here. I might take it. I don't know, Ninja. It's just or the Ninja risk. Francis, I just took it one trade at a time. So, oof. Nice rip right back up there. Look at that thing go. I don't know what it is. What's the risk there? I'm not sure. Yeah, there is a bit of an SMT here so far. I don't know if it really holds. I was using mini Lazelle, but now I'm using micros. You really want to see this push back below the 80 there to get going. Wreck that 30-second gap that it left there. Should go now. You should see a little elevator now. Yes, approaching the low there. Can you lose more than you put in? No, room beats. They're going to liquidate you at $50. Yeah, Bob, it is kind of funny. So in other words, room beats, if you put $100 in, once you lose $50, they're going to liquidate you from your position in one micro. So they're never going to allow you to go lower than what you have in there. You will get liquidated. A margin call will be issued, and they will take your monies. So you don't have to worry about that, really. Man, I would have been stop break even here. This would have been the entry here, but man, 23, 24 points down, and then we had that nice rip back up. I did take this. I didn't say anything, but I did take that on my funded futures account there for small winner. So I think a $200 winner, 140, whatever it was, get me to $300. So up $300 on this funded account, and then still up $922 on the other one. So, and then the the other accounts are just sitting there. I'm not trading them. The Apex PAs are just chilling. They're just sitting there. So we're not trading them. Oops. I mean, do that. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, we'll probably do a video soon, Paul. I need to do a first of the month video too. Even if it's a new spike. It doesn't matter what it is, room. You can't, I mean, if you get slippage in it, you lose. Yeah, I mean, you could lose it all. They're going to liquidate you either way. You got to think, once you get to 50, you got to remember you're trading one micro. If you're trading two micros, whatever it is, once you get down to $50 left in the account, they're going to liquidate you. So on one micro, that's 25 points. Two micros, that's whatever, 12.5 points. Not likely you're going to get that much slippage. You know, not likely. Guys, we are trying to get to 6,500 before the end of the month here. We got today left, basically. We got 13 more subs we need. So if you're watching and you're not yet subscribed, please help me out. So, you're long, Max. Good luck, sir. Good luck. You need the ES to get back above 22 there. And I don't know that that's going to happen, to be honest with you. Just riding that 9 down, guys. You can do whatever you want. Room beats on a personal one, as far as I know. There's not any rules. That's the advantage to having a personal account. Rippin', Max getting paid. Let's go. Getting paid, good sir. Getting paid. 21,415 target. Whew. I don't know if you get that, Max. It'll be shocking if you do, but you might. You never know. Yeah, there's no discount, Sir Doss, unless you pay for the account with ACH. My Funded Futures doesn't give any discounts to any of its affiliates unless you pay with ACH. Now, if you put the MM in and you still buy the account, I still get credit for it, so we do appreciate that. But there's not an affiliate code out there that will work with anything unless you use ACH. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, CC. Your really gets a heavy doggy treatment. Something, huh? Did my headphones die? What is going on here? I haven't charged them in a minute. I don't guess they did. What's going on? I don't hear anything. No, they're still on. They are still on. Fighting above the 21 there. I'm going to go break even pretty quickly here on this one. I want to just see it go. So in at break even. Oh, come on. I felt like I was a little late to the game on that one too. If this short works, you'll like the stream. Well, it worked already. Room for how many points? I mean, it depends on how many you were looking for. Let's turn on some music. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. We'll watch this. I got to get the volume. What's going on with my... I don't know what's going on with my... Can't hear anything. All right, that's too loud. You liked it already? You the man. No, I'm not going to re-enter. I do think this looks like it wants to push maybe up to 320s. I mean, if we pop the 50 here, then I definitely think 320s are in play. What up, Outer? Good morning. It does go against the draw, though. I think the draw is still lower. I'm going to take a stab here. Probably not a great idea, but we're going to do it anyway. I think if we pop the whole number, we can go here a bit. I want to get my stop in. Oh, you dirtiness. I'll just take it off. Get a few points. Be done with it. I just wanted it to go. I'm a little nervous about it because it is against the draw here. I think the draw is lower for sure. So I was thinking we would retest that 50 one more time. But I don't know. I didn't love the risk. Yeah, Treff. I mean, usually when IB sets, you know, at the low, usually that's a decent sign. Oh, that's usually a range, or kind of like a range day, right? Sign. Well, I like the wick. I think we take that out. I think we do go back and take that wick out, but I wanted it to do it right away. It's just against my bias. I think all of my winners today have been shorts. This is the only long, and it lost. Kind of got this 1 minute trend line here too. If we break that, then we go lower, but seem to be holding it so far. Yes, calculated gambler, that is right. Higher time frame is bearish, yes. Good push back up, you just don't know when. And this is kind of what I was afraid of. Something like this, kind of close below, push back up, retest. I might take a retest here, but I'm going to keep it very tight. Going to be a little overshoot. I guess ES is at that pivot. I don't like that push back up. Now it's running that wick. Yeah, 320s makes sense. I mean, this thing could push all the way up into here. Little trap of the shorts there. Grab a little liquidity and then rip. Yes, reclaiming the 28 there. Look at this thing go. Just kind of watching here to see. I mean, like this up here at 365 does make a lot of sense. A little pullback here. We would need a pullback kind of to get in. Retested the 50 here. Let's see if we get it. That would also be a retest of the 28 there on the ES. Uh, 50 EMA right there at 311, 312. Gonna have to go without me. There she blows. There she blows. ES retesting the 42 here. You are long. Careful there. We took this liquidity here. There we go. Pushing right back to the highs here. Are we going? Going back to the opening print up here at 416 looks like. Yeah, outer CT, got to just kind of be in line with it. It did take private time. SMT held. I mean, I wouldn't mind finding a spot to get long. It's just kind of difficult right now because this can easily just pull back and take you out. I think we tag 416. Let's see what it does. Could be a good long entry for ES. Yeah, if it pushes above 42 and reclaims. Actually, to be honest with you, we could just turn down here. ES technically has not reclaimed 42 yet. It did tag it. I'm going to stab it here. The thing is, it doesn't even have to go. I know this could just stop me out easy. Alright, it did. Longing too late there. Really too late. It just doesn't make sense. I don't know. Gave back some money there. Only up 685 now. Oh, now it goes. Really? You mother trucker. You mother trucker. Good morning, Live Prop Firm. All right, I'm going to take another stab here. About right there. I'm moving it to a tight stop. All right, stop me out. That's fine. Oh, the dog fart's the stinkiest of all. I don't know. I feel all right, Live Prop Firm. What up, Trader Oracle? How you doing? Can we get the pull back into the 340s? I don't know. This is kind of too stupid long. So I'm going to be honest. These are not great ideas. Although I do think we take the we hit the 416 there. Oh, excuse me. One micro max. Yeah, well, you know, you could. You could. ES back to the 42. I want to see a quick run into the 416 here. Need to see it really. I kind of longed into the 90. I don't know. I felt like my entry there was bad again. But bad idea. I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. I mean, it was moving fast, but like, gosh. Get most of our profits back there. Should have just waited. I thought we'd take out that 416. Kind of pushed up into the 403s. And just ripped lower. ES almost hit the VWAP there and then just pulled back. So it popped above the 42s there for a moment and then just couldn't hold it. Could not hold it. Just long at the breaker. This thing's ripping lower, guys. This is just going lower. I missed the first 30-second short there. I didn't even see it. I mean, your first short right there would have been at 366.25 on the 30-second chart. And you'd be up 30 points already. We'll look for a spot to jump in short. I'm going to look for this short here back into the... I may add one more. Look for a spot to take 5 points. you wanna see it pop? No, what? I think it's going to the lows. I mean, we are back to 28 on the ES, I guess. Max is barking. I don't know what that means. All right, I'm going to break even now. I want to see it push through now. Come on. Move it on down there. All right. My dog says get out. Haha, he might. Oh, I didn't mean to leave it on the 5. Wanted that to be my second target. See if we put this order block in. Maybe not. Nope. Wow. That's ridiculous. We're slinging this around if you guys didn't notice. Oh. Seek and destroy. Yeah, kind of. Yes, back to the 34s. At least destroy your account. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, Jamie. Oh. Yes, trying to push. I don't like it. Back below this wick here, I'm going to move my stop to break even. 315. Hmm. 186 watching with only 50 likes. Hulk smash. Let's go. Thank you, Oracle. ES is in the middle of nowhere, to be honest. This could just go anywhere. I'm going to go ahead and take it off right there. Room's still long. Let's go. We're on a funded account. Nicholas, we're up $55 on this funded that you see me trading. We were up like 900 something. But we've given it back. It is, but we may be red in a moment. Let's see. Considering a long now. All right, we're going to go heavy on this one. I'm thinking about long. Let's go, Cooper. Nice job. I think I'm going to go... I want to see this thing pop. A little VWAP touch there on the ES would be nice. Uh-oh. Do the mortgage trade. Max barking. There he goes. Y'all called for it. I didn't even signal him. He just barked. He just barked. Max is barking. I don't know what it means. Let's see the ES pop that 42. It's right there at it now. If we can pop it, we can just go. We should get a little elevator up. A little rocket ship. A boner candle. Above this high, I'm going to go break even. That is 13 points. Max, you're talking to the dog over here. Watt said you're causing troubles. Uh-oh. That got him to roof again. Exactly, Max. Entertainment. The idea is to hold up here, but if the ES approaches that VWAP, we might change our mind. I want to see some expansion now. Come on, rip it. Rip it. Watching the ES closely here. Want to see expansion. Come on. I'll re-enter if I need to. Come on, let's go. I'm locking in 10. Yeah, Nicholas, I've been wanting to do that. I've just been too lazy. Come on. Come on. All right, moving it back. If ES loses the 42, we'll close it. Bear shoulder block? Could be. I don't know. I don't see it. Where? I mean, maybe on a higher time frame. I just think we could sweep the 403s, but Ah, this is going to be annoying. This is going to be annoying. In low, reach the profit target. Let's go. I mean, back above this, I'll be feeling comfortable about it continuing up. But if the ES loses to 42, I might just go right back down here. Should be looking to at least take some profit, but I don't know. I think we do push into the 416s. I really do. Just don't know when. Darn it. Up all that. Up $300 something. Didn't take anything. Swap equal lows. What up, JX? Merry Christmas. Shit. Gotta go. Max trying to tell me something. Should go higher fast now. We'll see. I think if it was going to go, probably would have already went, but we'll see. Still 100 in drawdown. Yeah, using a micro. I was up big on that long. I mean, $300+. I don't know, just didn't take anything out of it. Stupid, I guess you could say. He has a 71% hit rate. Maybe. All right. I'm going to move the stop into break even probably at 61. Probably get stop break even because none of this has been like clean, but kind of want to see a little expansion above that area. There it is. Unfortunate, probably going to stop me. Rip it. Rip it. Yeah, ES approaching the VWAP now. That's what I'm watching. I'll take profit once it gets there, probably. Then again, every time I do that, it pops it. $59.49. Yeah, that's where I have it at too. I want to see it just pop through the VWAP there and head towards that 56 area. It's approaching the VWAP now. It's 2 points off. I want to see expansion above this wick, but I don't know that we get it because the VWAP is there. Let's watch in here. Need this thing to breach this high here and go. Let's go. Push. This he has equal lows, does it? I mean, the higher time frame is definitely bearish, but I don't know. I just got this feeling we're going to push back up to 416. Come on. Up. No. Yes. I don't know who that is, Max. Mike McCauley. I don't know who that is. All right, come on. Let's go now. There we go. Come on, let's go. ES approaching the VWAP here. Let's see what it does. Do we get through there? Pop it, ES. Pop that VWAP. Pop it. Pop it. I want to see it run the 56 area there. All right, I'm going to take this up here. 73. Still $400-ish. Yes, double topping right there. Oh, God. Gotta rip it here. Yeah, I know who Gene Simmons is. I don't know who the other guy is. I'm locking in something, guys. Maybe I'm not. Here's the thing. I mean, if the ES pops the VWAP, we go. I don't know that it does. We'll probably get a nice big green candle here if it does. I'm locking in some. There we go. That's what we were waiting on there. There we go. We're going to trail kind of close here. Locking in 20 points there. Come on, rip it. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, more. All right, well, we tried. We're up $358 after that exchange. Oh, man. You having anxiety? Me too. All right. I'm going to take some scalpies up here. Well, promptly didn't work. Too far off the 9, I guess. uh, ES kind of pushed above the VWAP. Didn't hold it so far. ES trying to pull back on us here. So we get a little push up here. Who's not showing me my entry? There it is. Well, can it go or not? Looks like it's a not. It might be the point of turn the other way. You're long? Big move. Yeah, maybe. Big move might be over. That grind that we had. A lot of back and forth there. It feels that way. Take private time. I think 416 makes sense, but nope. My payout request has been approved. Payout request has been approved. Clarity. I've done it before. Plenty of times. Plenty of times. You got chopped up today. Think you're gonna call it? Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Citizen Zero. I mean, I've been all over the place. We're still green, $172, but we were green almost 1,000. We probably should have shut it down then, huh? Can we pick up 5 quick points here? Is the question. Can't. I really should have just moved my stop up there. Just manually left it. Manually left it. Do I have cars in Canada? Nah. Yeah, you're right, Citizen Zero. Why is this playing again? All right, pulling back here. See if it tests the 9 again. It's going to look for a little 9 bounce. $21 bounce is safer. All right, we're in. Go. There we go. I don't know. Excuse me. Anybody else have problems getting into their take profit trader thing? Won't let me in there. There's the boner candle into the 90s. ES approaching the initial balance high. Nasdaq's trying to get there too. ES pushing through. I'm going to look for a pullback. CC, I won't be trading tomorrow. I'll be out of town, so I got in late there. I'll have to move the stop quickly here. I was actually thinking of shorting up here. But I wanted to take one more stab through the initial balance. Gonna move the stop up quickly. If I can. May not let me. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I wanted to short up there, but I think I missed the opportunity. Let's go, Max. Nice job. Wasn't quick enough with the stop on that one. Got in too late and then wasn't quick enough with the stop. All right, there we go. Pushing above. I hit sell. What in the heck is going on here? Now it puts me in. Try a little short down into the 400. Retest the 400 here if we can get it. Just going to take it there. Such a battle. Your VWAP's higher than mine. Are you on VWAP number 3, John? I'm on the VWAP number 3. Yeah, I'm on number 3 also. I don't know why. You can see it right here. VWAP number 3, and I'm using the daily. That probably is why. So the short idea was right. I was thinking that if you look, we actually didn't even sweep that. But this is a protected high. So I was just, no, it's not. It's not protected anymore. Yeah, I was thinking we'd sweep that and then kind of move lower. I didn't even notice, so we didn't sweep it. But short is pie going. If that's even a word, probably not. But the idea was right. Snatch 26.25 bag on each of your 350 Bulenox. Funded had to pass that safety net. Nice job. Good job, Gilbert. Oh, Bulenox versus Take Profit Trader. I don't know. Room is just basically if it's a wick. So this, you have a wick inside a fair value gap. So we took it out right here. So that makes this wick now protected until we make a new low. So once we make a new low, so it'd be hard for us to, it doesn't mean you can't. It's just hard for this to be taken out. So you see how we pushed back up and weren't quite able to do it. And then once you breach this low, then this is no longer protected. General understanding of it anyway. A lot of trend line liquidity here. Decent. The stop on this is a bit wide. Just like John Wick. Exactly. Oh, guys, I'm going to have to get off here. I was supposed to be off here at 11:15. It's 11:25. You guys always keep me on longer than I'm supposed to be. I got to pack. Yes is at the VWAP here. Man, so it's a little scary to short this. I mean, this is a good setup, but man, the ES being at the VWAP has me scared. I'm scared to take it. ES is at the VWAP. Appreciate you, Predator. I mean, this triggered, but I'm a little scared of the ES being at the VWAP. Yeah, it's a short trigger. Yeah, the ES just at the VWAP. That's what has me scared to kind of take it here. I think this will push back up. Gives me room to take it. So stop will go to break even back below this wick. It's kind of how I'll work that. Stop to break even. Come on. Well, I tried it. That's why it's kind of scary to take that there, but I mean, I guess it was 10 points. What up, Alcife? Yeah, no 6,500 yet. We're at 64.89, as you can see up there. I don't know. This play's still valid, but man. Still scary. Close your eyes and short? I don't know. All right. One more try. Same idea. Close your eyes, turn around, and enjoy. That's what I'm trying to do. What up, Winter Circle? No. Not a good look. Gotta have a bearish reaction here. I don't know if I can't trades here. I'm not sure. All right, I'm going to get stopped here. I can tell already. Y'all. Looks like it's about to close above. There's the close. I'm going to leave my stop right where it is. And I'm going to go long. And I'm going to take one off here at 8 points. I'll go break even there. We'll let the other one run. The short fails, you take the long. It could burn you in both directions. You never know. But You'd think it would just run. All right, guys, I got to go. It's 11:30. I got to get out of here. I'll let you guys know how this trade turns out. But if you haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you want to help support the channel, please use my links and everything down below. 91% still good until tomorrow night at midnight on Bulenox. 80% on option 2 as well. And we'll see you guys next time. I got to get out of here. Appreciate you guys watching.